Today, I'll show you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner in Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now go to the team and channel where your Planner plan is added. At the top of the channel, look for the Planner tab. It may be called Tasks, Planner, Tasks by Planner, or the custom name your team gave it. Click the tab to open the plan. Now look near the top right area of the tab. Click the small arrow, 3 dots, or tab menu next to the plan name. If you only want to remove the Planner tab from Teams, choose Remove. This removes the tab from the channel, but it may not delete the actual plan. The plan may still exist in Microsoft Planner and may still be connected to the Microsoft 365 group. If you want to delete the actual plan, open the plan in the Planner web app. You may see an option like Go to Website, Open in Planner, or Open in Browser. Click that option. Once the plan opens in Microsoft Planner, click the 3 dots near the plan name. Choose Plan Settings. In the Settings window, look for Delete this plan. Click Delete this plan. Planner may ask you to confirm the deletion. Read the message carefully, because deleting a plan can remove its tasks, buckets, labels, comments, and task details. If you are sure, confirm the deletion. If you do not see the delete option, you may not have permission to delete the plan. Usually, you need to be the plan owner or a group owner. If the plan is connected to a Microsoft 365 group or team, deleting the plan is different from deleting the whole team. Be careful not to delete the team unless you really want to remove the entire group and its connected files, conversations, and resources. So, to keep it simple, removing the tab from Teams only hides it from the channel. To delete the actual plan, open it in Microsoft Planner, go to Plan Settings, choose Delete this plan, and confirm. And that's how you delete a plan in Microsoft Planner in Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.